Google is less about hardware and more about software. After the launch event, the hype for the Pixel 7 Pro is more than ever because turning out the Pixel 7 Pro is the Pixel 6 Pro that we truly never got. This is especially true with the camera, and Google is giving Apple a run for its money. A YouTuber, Michael Secret, has got access to the Pixel 7 Pro early, and he's been testing out the camera of the handset. Google has managed to achieve in a year with just their software magic. First of all, switching between the lenses is smooth as ever, almost like the iPhones, and quite impressed with the super resume quality. It takes a second or so to kick in, but when it does, it creates that Google magic to turn a blurry video into a super sharp one. Even when he's moving, it doesn't shift colors, which the iPhone 14 Pro Max does it sometimes. The Pixel 7 Pro features a telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom and up to 30x super resume. The iPhone 14 Pro Max out at 3x optical and 15x for digital zoom. So Apple's new iPhone is literally far behind Google's new Pixel in this category. If new hardware, software, and artificial intelligence technology, Google expects significant photography improvements to its new Pixel 7 Pro. Google Pixel phones haven't sold well compared with models from Samsung and Apple, but they earn high marks for photography year after year. The Pixel 7 Pro also leverages computation photography via the Tensor G2 chip to achieve sharp-looking images at a range of zoom distances. Zoom stabilization feature comes in, which keeps your camera steady when going past 15x. It does this by identifying the subject in the viewfinder and stabilizing the camera on it. The new cinematic blur mode with the video also works fine, like with the non-living objects, which means this is going to complete with the new cinematic mode on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Google optimized the Pixel 7 Pro enough to work for longer hours without getting heat up, so you can expect a better battery backup. On the Pixel 7 Pro, the noise reduction is really good compared to the last generation, and even better than most of the Android smartphones. If you are for software features, then Pixel 7 Pro also brings some of the significant changes. Also added in new features like unblur, where if you have a picture which is slightly blur, and you can actually fix with this feature, just with a single click. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.